So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you some important updates about Vita coin, its price prediction this year mega bullion and its major centralization listing that where we can see Vita coin listing on Binance, on Kraken, on Coinbase. Is it possible or not? So it be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Vitainu current price dipped 7 times 0 to $4, they pumped by almost 10% last 24 hours, but in last 30 days 33% dump, last 14 days 8% dump, last 7 days 19% dump in Vitainu coin. So this dump is good for that we can buy Vitainu coin at low price, at low market. $21.6 million market cap right now. So market cap is also good, but it's very low because this is 3 years old meme coin and it's still live in crypto market. So this meme coin has definitely potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. $6.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome, friends. Initially, coin was launched in BNB chain, okay, Binance Smart Chain blockchain. After that, also launched on many other chains, but mention was BNB. You can see, friends, dog theme meme coin, DWF left portfolio investing in this meme coin, just like ladies coin. We are 67% down this all-time high. There were 2 months ago, 0.7 times $73. We are 700% up this all-time low. There were 3 years ago, as I already told you, this meme coin is 3 years old. We are already killed 1 0 since its launching, and many other 0 will be killed soon here. MEXC has listed KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC, and HEXC Hot Exchange has listed this coin, HTX and Bitmart already listed on many major central exchanges, but still there's no crypto.com, there's no Kraken, Binance yet, but definitely, friends, we can see it's listing on all other tier 1 exchanges. Okay, after a few months when Vita coin can again make a massive hype here, then at that time definitely this meme coin can be listed on many major central exchanges, because just like baby dogecoin that was all meme coin on BNB chain, so this meme coin was second all meme coin on BNB chain, just like baby dogecoin. So both are all dog theme meme coins in BNB ecosystem. So definitely, as baby dogecoin is listed on Binance right now, so we can also see Vita coin listing in Binance soon. 55,000 holders, 55,000 holders for Vita coin, and its best thing is that you can see 10% supply is burned. Okay, I will show you here. Bybit has the highest supply, that is 34%, and MEXC is the second holder, that is 10.7%. These are the other wallets just like Gate.io, BitGet, and other KuCoin wallet holding 0.8% of supply. These birds 10% supply is also burned. We know hot wallet has 0.2% of supply. Friends, these are the holders of this coin. Website also looking good. The world first light speed dog coin with zero fees and smart contracts. So narrative about this meme coin is awesome. As I will show you the central exchanges, partners and media, you can check out all further details here, but I will show you that 10% supply is burned. Okay, you can see total circulation market cap is $1.6 million. You can check out all news, it's all details here. August 2024 project was updated more than a meme coin, because it's not just a meme coin, they have their also use cases, and you can check out all further details here. So friends, now my price prediction about Vinocoin is that as its current market cap is $21 million, but if we buy Vinocoin around $20 million market cap, and if Vino can hit $2 billion market cap in this year mega bullion, then that will be exactly 100x from here. Okay, 100x from here. But definitely, just like baby dogecoin, this and other 3 years old BNB Smart Chain dog theme meme coins, this meme coin has also potential to be the next maybe $3 to $5 billion market cap meme coin, or maybe more. What's your price prediction about Vinu coin? You can must comment down below.